Alright guys, so we've came from very far. We got really good progress done today. Installed the strut rods, installed the lower control arm, and also installed my torsion bars. And lucky me, I don't know, maybe TTI received a lot of complaints, but lucky me, they cleared both the driver and the passenger side. Everything went well. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to be installing my QA1 Front Shocks. These are the TS501. And so basically it's pretty straightforward. If you haven't done this before, I'll just show you. So they come with these sleeves. The sleeves go inside of here. Just pull this guy out. Try to do this one-handed here, but it's not always obvious. Here, let me just pause this. I'll be right back. All right, so we're back. So these sleeves fit into here, right there, and that part right there fits right over here. I'll show you here. I'll point to it right here. So you got a long bolt with a nut and washers that go through there. Now for this video I won't be able to show you because I've brought them over to the powder coating place. They're gonna do dry film on them, and they're gonna come out really beautiful, really nice, and I'm gonna bolt those on hopefully towards the end of the week. I'll get my stuff ready, but for today we'll just go ahead and proceed with installing the shock. So along with their kit comes some bushings and these discs here, kind of like a washer disc, but these are liquid. These help retain everything, and they come with these nuts. Okay. Again, these sleeves, I believe there's two different sizes. One is thicker, if we see here, one is thicker than the other. This will all depend on the size of your bolt. So so if your bolt is thin, so you'll use this smaller hole, and if your bolt is thick, you'll use the other one. So let's go ahead and open these guys. I've already done the other side, but I just thought I'd make a little video for those who haven't done this before. Now these aren't the coilovers. I chose not to go with the coilovers in the front or in the back. Being I have all the sway bars, all the Hotchkiss system, suspension in the front and the back. I'm also gonna install the Calvert Caltrac system as well, and I got the Mopar Performance heavy duty leaf springs in the back, and so I'm not too concerned about the leaf springs. The fact that coilover or not. So for my application, so you got so these bushings here, you got two sizes. You got the smaller hole and the bigger hole. Because mine is a Mopar B body, you see the hole right there. It's fitting real snug, and she ain't moving. See, it's the same diameter hole. This fits there. So these are the ones we're going to be going with. So basically what you want to do is you want to take your first bushing, and I'm just going to hold this like this. You know, put your, I'm going to show you how to set it up, and then, so there we go. So you have that metal washer, retainer, whatever, and on it goes the bushing, and then the direction of the hole is as such. And on the opposite side, so on the top side, you'll see there's another hole right there. See it right there? It's the same size, and what I'll do is I'm gonna put pause and I'll be back. Basically what you gotta do is you gotta jam this through and put the bushing upside the other opposite side so that it meets the hole. and put this guy on, and then just put your bolts. So they give you two nuts, sorry. One is to tie it down, the other one is just to retain it, make it even stronger so it locks, so it doesn't move again. So let me do this and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is how it is. Pretty straightforward, eh? So you got the bushing, and then this spacer, saucer, whatever heck you want to call it, retainer, and then you put your big nut here, and then a smaller nut after, when you're pleased with the position. What you need to do also is just bring down the shock so that it'll go fit there. Now in my case, it's gonna fit just. Might have to lubricate it a bit, but I need to put the sleeve, make sure I got the right sleeve on, and just bolt it on, and off we go. So that's about it, and pretty straightforward. I'm gonna leave it like this for now, and these are cool because you got these notches, so you can notch it to what sort of ride you want. And obviously when there's weight on the car, it'll go up a bit, and it won't obstruct anything, so should be good. But once you set your ride that you want, everything comes in this little guide here, this little instruction manual. They give you so they give you like pretty much what you want. If you want to drag race, I got a 0 to 6 clicks, nice ride, firm ride, aggressive handling, and this is from the front. For the rear shock, if you have, it's whatever you choose. So there you have it, a QA1 TS501 on a 60 Charger. That's pretty much where we're at right now. Next up is I'm putting my Hotchkiss sway bars, and go from there. Once all that's done, once I get my bolts, I'm going to fasten them onto here, and the shocks will be done. Make sure that everything is greased up, everything is nice and snug. I got all the cotter pins, and everything is good, and then put the wheels on, lower the car, see if everything is okay, and go from there. So obviously it'll need to get we'll need a wheel alignment. I got these SPC upper control arms. They're amazing. They're so like fine tuning on these is like beyond belief. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.